Hi, my name is Nica. I'm a data scientist and I'm very excited to share my project with you. It's called Jot This Down, Handwritten Text Recognition System. So our central question for today that we're going to be exploring is, can a computer read handwritten text? So to explore this, we're going to need a lot of handwritten text data. And that's exactly what I found in the IM dataset. This dataset consists of about 1,000 documents with handwritten text, and this was segmented into about 115,000 individual words, and it was done through the process of going through lines first. So the process that we're going to be using today consists of, number one, processing this image data by resizing and converting these images into numerical data. And then second, running models. And thirdly, we're going to be optimizing those models. And lastly, we're going to be testing those models on unseen handwritten text. So the models that we are going to be looking at today are the ones that I employed for this project. First of which is a convolutional neural network, or CNN. This consisted of 5 layers. Second, I employed a recurrent neural network consisting of 2 layers. And third, I employed a CDC loss function. And finally, I was able to use atom optimization on each of these. And this diagram here below is just a quick overview of how a CNN works. So the results of these models were pretty good. So the baseline accuracy score was about 40%, which is okay. But after optimizing and adding these other models additionally to the CNN, I was able to obtain an accuracy of 74%. So what does this mean? This means that the model can correctly read unseen handwritten text 74% of the time. So pretty good. All right, and then now I will show you a demo. So this is the Flask app that I built, and this just takes in an image file. So you just upload it here, choose file, add the file, submit it, and then it gives you an output. And for purposes of loading time, I'm not actually going to run it, and I will just show you what the output is going to look at. So here we can see that we fed in the image of the word, handwritten text, and the model gave us back a probability of 95% that this word was recognized as word. So as you can see, we can actually train a computer to read handwritten text. And these are just some of the tools that I use to build these items for you here today that I've showed you. And thank you so much for attending my presentation. Feel free to check out my code on GitHub, and also feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Thanks.